Hi, welcome to your fifth Android tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a project under Eclipse. Okay. So first of all, after loading your Eclipse, you'll be having an empty project explorer over here. So this project explorer can be taken from here also. So you'll get in the project explorer from here also. Okay. So this is the project explorer. Okay. If you don't have this project explorer over here, you just go on clicking this. Show you as a first view. Okay, so click on this one. So click on the project explorer. So you'll be getting the project explorer back to your window over here. Okay, so after placing this project explorer over here, so we need to go for create a new project. Either you can go for a file or a new and a project. Okay, so over here, or you can go for a right click on the project explorer, so go for a new and a project. Okay, so over here, after selecting the project, you'll be prompted with the new project select wizard. Okay, so here we need to select what kind of project that is I'm going to create right now. Okay, so under wizard we need to select this Android project. Okay, so after selecting the Android project, we need to click on next over here. So here, after clicking next, it will be prompted to give a project name to your project. Okay, so first thing, project name must be specified here. It is giving a notation to you. So we must specify the project name right now. I can give project name something like my app or my project. Okay. So create new project in a workspace. Okay, so this project will be created under the default workspace. Okay, so click on next after this. Alright, okay, so here it is showing that select a build target. Okay, so in this Eclipse I have already installed Android 4.0 as well as Android 2.2. okay, so it is better to select Android 2.2 because Android 2.2 version is supporting by all the mobile devices, Android powered mobile devices of today. Okay, so it is better to select this Android 2.2 and its API level is 8. Okay, so each version will be having its own API level. So Android 2.2 will be having its API level 8. Okay, so and the next thing we need to go for a next over here. Alright. So in this window, what happens? We'll be having a project name, application name, that's nothing but a project name, which is called my project. Okay, so here we need to specify the package name. Okay, so in Android project, what happens? The package should be unique. Okay, you should specify the unique project, and even it's better to specify the project in the form of domain formats. Okay, so I can give this project name something like com.myproject.app. Okay, so here, so this is the name of the project which has been given as com.myproject.app. Okay, so it asks you to create the activity. Whenever you create an application under the Eclipse for Android, so you must create an activity. So the activity is nothing but an user interface which was running on the emulator or the mobile device. Okay, so to create activity, so you need to specify the name of the activity. By default it will take my project activity, so I can specify this as starting or startup. Okay, so we need to specify the minimum SDK version here. So it is better to select SDK version 8 because I am selecting build target which is of type for Android 2.2. So I will select the minimum SDK version 8. Okay, so if you have in the Android, if you selected build target around some 4 or 2 point something more than the 2.2, then you can go for more than the minimum SDK version 8. Okay, so it is better to select SDK version 8 for Android 2.2 or even less than that. Okay, SDK version less than 8. Okay, so this is a minimum SDK version. Okay, so we need to finish up this create project wizard right now. So finish it. So when you finish this creating the project, you will be having a project over here under your project explorer. Okay, so I will extend this one, so it will be something like this. Okay, here I will be having my project PMOJ over here, and I will be having lot of options, a lot of folders over here. So I will just load it the startup button and close this one. So here I will be having my project. So here in this one I will be having the source. So under source I got com.mypoj.app. So okay, so this is the name that was given to my package right now. So this is the startup activity which I was created during the creation of this project. Okay, so next is generated Java files folder is there. So which is again com.mypoj.app, so which is nothing but it should be having r.java. Okay, so what is that r.java? We can discuss it later. Okay, so and the next thing is for every project we need what actually the Android APIs that will be loaded over here. This one android.jar. Okay, so this is the jar file which is required to execute what actually the Android applications. Okay, so and also so we'll be having assets and libraries, Eclipse libraries, assets, and also we'll be having a bin directory which will be having resources over here, and also we'll be having resources. Okay, so RES. So bin directory is also having the resources in which we can find our developed APK files under bin directory. Okay, so resources will be having drivable XDPI, drivable NPI, and drivable MDPI, and leveled and the values folder. Okay, so these folders will containing several files. Okay, so these XDPI, MDPI will be having the images, the level will be having the XML file, and value will be having again XML file. Okay, and the next thing is your Android manifest.xml file. Okay, so this is actually the most important part of the Java Android applications. Okay, so this Android manifest file will be having several options over here. One is a manifest, applications, and permissions, instrumentation, and Android manifest.xml file. Okay, so this XML file will be having this kind of structure. Okay, so we can discuss with this XML file more on next tutorial. So this is the project which was created the very first time when we create a new project. So this much of options will be created automatically by the Eclipse IDE. Okay, so this is how the project is created. Okay, thanks for watching this tutorial. You can see more on this project in the next tutorial.